First, use a knife to remove the stem of the cabbage. Then cut it in half. After cutting, take a look. There's still a core in the middle. It's quite hard. The texture isn't good. Shave it off. Then cut it into thin shreds. After cutting, loosen the cabbage shreds. Then transfer them to a vegetable bowl. Add enough clean water to submerge the cabbage. Then add a spoonful of salt. Mix well by hand to dissolve the salt. After mixing evenly, soak for 5 minutes. Soaking cabbage in light salt water effectively removes pesticide residues and insect eggs. Meanwhile, let's prepare the other ingredients. Prepare 1 scallion. Chop it into scallion rings. After chopping, transfer to a plate for later use. Next, prepare a piece of ginger and slice it first. Then cut it into thin strips. After cutting, transfer to a plate for later use. Prepare a few cloves of garlic. Slice the garlic. After slicing, place them on a plate. Next, prepare a few dried chili peppers. Cut the dried chilies into small sections. Adding dried chili peppers enhances fragrance and spiciness. It also makes a dish more flavorful and appetizing. Prepare 1 red pepper. For color contrast, first cut it in half. Then slice it into thin strips. After slicing, transfer to a plate for later use. Next, prepare a piece of pork belly. Choose one with a good balance of fat and lean meat for better flavor. First, cut it in half. Then slice it into thin pieces. After slicing, transfer to a plate for later use. Next, boil water in a pot. When the water boils, add a handful of sweet potato vermicelli. Once in hot water, the vermicelli will start to soften. Stir with chopsticks. Loosen the vermicelli to prevent them from sticking together. This also ensures even heating. Then reduce to medium heat and cook for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, turn off the heat. Cover the lid and let it sit for another 2 minutes. Open the lid after 2 minutes. At this point, the vermicelli has been fully steamed. Check to see if there is no hard core inside. It is very elastic. Drain the water and take it out. Then put it into cold water to cool it down. This prevents the vermicelli from sticking together. After cooling, drain the water and take it out. Put it into a large bowl. Look at how smooth and bouncy the vermicelli is now. If you find the vermicelli too long, you can cut it with scissors. This makes it easier to stir-fry and also more convenient to eat. Add a little dark soy sauce for color. Mix well with chopsticks. Adding dark soy sauce enhances the color and makes it more appetizing. Then add a little cooking oil. Mix thoroughly with chopsticks. This way, the vermicelli won't clump together when stir-frying. It also won't stick to the pan. At this time, our cabbage has been soaked long enough. Then take it out. Put it in clean water and wash it several more times. After washing thoroughly, drain the water and put it in a vegetable basket. Let it drain completely for later use. Heat the pan until hot. Then add cooking oil. When the oil is hot, add the sliced pork belly. Stir-fry on low heat. Render out the fat from the pork belly. Cook until the pork belly turns slightly yellow. Add a little cooking wine to remove any gamey smell. Then drizzle a little vinegar to enhance the aroma. This way, the meat will not be smelly or dry. Stir-fry evenly. Next, add chopped green onions, ginger, garlic, and dried chili. Continue to stir-fry. Stir-fry until fragrant. Once fragrant, add a little dark soy sauce for color. Stir-fry evenly. This makes the dish look more appetizing. Next, add the drained cabbage. Turn to high heat and stir-fry quickly. Stir-fry until the cabbage softens. Once softened, add the prepared sweet potato vermicelli. Now start seasoning. Add an appropriate amount of light soy sauce. Oyster sauce. 1 spoon of salt. Half a spoon of 13 spice seasoning. 1 spoon of chicken bouillon powder. 1 spoon of sugar to enhance the flavor. Stir-fry quickly and evenly. Cook until the cabbage and vermicelli absorb the flavors. Then add red pepper strips. Stir-fry evenly. Cook until the red pepper is slightly softened, then turn off the heat. Serve on a plate. This dish of cabbage and vermicelli is now complete, full of color, aroma, and flavor. Just looking at it makes my mouth water. The vermicelli is smooth and bouncy. It doesn't stick to the pan or clump together. The cabbage is also very crisp and flavorful. It's spicy, delicious, and perfect with rice. If you like it, save it and give it a try. If you like my video, remember to give it a like, follow and share. Click on my profile picture to see more food videos. I post different videos every day. See you in the next video.